it's Brooke with WTI. Are you looking for an incredibly comfortable sheet set? Check out BYSURE's 6-piece hotel luxury sheet set. I love the comfort of this. It is very breathable. It feels so soft. It says 1800 thread count, 100% microfiber, and even after washing it and drying it, it is so comfortable. And I love the color, the peace and serenity of this green sage because it's very calming, very wrinkle-free. Even after washing it and drying it, it's not prone to wrinkles for me. The fitted sheet that it comes with has a 15-inch pocket, allowing me to add a mattress topper to it for comfort, or even if I had a queen-size mattress that was thicker, it would cover quite a bit. However, mine is thinner, and because of the great quality of this product, it pulls in the elastic underneath and keeps it snug in place. I can sleep with this day in and day out, and there is no fixing of the bottom sheet. I love that. I also love that the top sheet is generous in size. The pillowcases, the fact that it has 4 is really convenient for aesthetics and making your room look uniform. I also like that there's an envelope on the inside that helps your pillow from falling out. And I've noticed that my pillows have not slid out of these awesome pillowcases. The stitching is well done. I don't have any loose stitching anywhere. Absolutely love this product. I'm sure you will love it and get a great night's sleep. But that's just my point of view.